Today we're touring this beautiful home located in Stillwater Ranch. Dreaming of a 3-car garage? This San Antonio gem is calling your name. Welcome to 9510 Pioneer Junction, where striking curb appeal and a 3-car garage set the tone for this inviting home in a vibrant San Antonio neighborhood. Step inside to a grand entryway, where soaring ceilings, graceful arches, and elegant details welcome you with an immediate sense of space and light. The adjacent dining area offers elegant dining space for memorable gatherings, bathed in natural light and anchored by a stylish chandelier, is the ideal spot for memorable dinners and celebrations. The dining area, bathed in natural light, offers a beautiful bay window, flow into the open concept living room and kitchen, designed for effortless, entertaining, and warm family gatherings, with expansive sightlines that keep everyone connected. This chef's kitchen, with sleek finishes, offers generous workspace on the island and sunlight to make daily living a delight. The peaceful owner suite offers plush comfort, ceiling fan, and natural light streaming through 2 large windows. The double doors lead you into your luxurious ensuite bath. Enjoy modern fixtures in your luxurious primary bath with dual vanities and spacious closet. The soaring ceilings offer a wide open living area. Upstairs, discover a versatile loft space ideal for work, play, or movie nights, with large windows and a ceiling fan to keep the space comfortable. Perfect space for the kids to unwind or for movie nights. The covered patio offers space for year-round outdoor living. Enjoy the spacious backyard, perfect for kids, pets. If you're ready to call this your home, reach out today for your own private tour.